What if I told you you can change the background of your video, add a stylish chair behind you, bring a table, and even place a studio microphone with just an AI? Yes, you heard that right. You can literally build a full studio around you using just your smartphone. And the best part, it's completely free. To do this, you will only need 2 sites and 1 application. The first site will help in generating the prompts that we use in generating these images. The second site will help in generating these images perfectly. And the last one will bring everything to life. This is where we'll be editing it, and I'll be showing you everything from start to finish using just your smartphone. If you want to continue to see more useful content like this, do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on all post notifications, and don't forget to like this video. Before we get started, there's one general rule that applies to everything, which is make sure that your background is totally different from what you are putting on. In my case, you can see I'm wearing a purple dress, and even when you have a green or whatever background you want to use, the rules is just that make sure what you are wearing is totally different from your background. That way, when you are removing the background of your initial video, you will have a smooth and clean editing. The first thing we need to do is to generate the extras, which are things like the microphone, the chair, the table, and all those stuff you want to see in your studio. And to do that, open your web browser and you're going to search for Google AI Image FX. Scroll down and click on this link. And go ahead and log in or register with your Google account. After the registration, this page is going to open up. And for us to be able to generate images, we need a prompt. And to generate our prompt, we'll be using ChatGPT. And first, you have to explain to ChatGPT what kind of image you want to generate. That is the only way it will be able to help you in generating the prompt. And this is what I told ChatGPT. I will also leave it in the description of this video so that you can copy it and use it for yourself. And after that, I hit on enter. And this is the result ChatGPT gave me. Now go ahead and read the output ChatGPT gave you. If you are satisfied, copy the entire prompt. Go back to the site where we want to generate the image and paste it in this text box. This is my entire script. Now click on settings, scroll down, and you are going to select the aspect ratio for the platform you want to upload your video to. For this example, I'm uploading to YouTube, so I selected 16:9. After that, click on generate. This will take few seconds for your background image to be generated, and you can see this amazing background. You can scroll to the right and just check through to see if you like anyone. But for me, I really do not like this because I don't want all those laptop and chairs behind me, since I'm going to be adding it manually. I will go back to ChatGPT. And this is what I told ChatGPT, that I don't want microphone and chair in the background. Also remove the picture frames and all those stuff. All those things I don't want. I want ChatGPT to help me to regenerate the prompt. And I'm going to copy the prompt it regenerated. Go back to that site. Highlight all of this and I will delete it. Then paste my new prompt. Remember to select the aspect ratio by clicking on settings. And then you select the aspect ratio for the platform you want to upload your video to. Click on generate. After some seconds, your image is going to be ready. Oh yes, I perfectly love this new background. So you're going to scroll to the right and just see which one suits what you really want to use it for. And you click on this download icon. You can download as many as you want so that you'll be able to have options to play with. In case you are looking for any images you've generated, maybe you left the site and you want to come back again to check some of the things you've generated, you will click on this your image or name icon. Under my own is written J, just here, and you click on my library, and this is where you can find all the images you've generated. The next thing I want to do is to generate the table in my front to make it a proper studio. So I will go ahead and explain the kind of table I want to ChatGPT. I will also leave it in the description. I will tell it to give me the prompt. Go ahead and click on enter. Same way, here is the output. Copy the entire script. Go back to the site. Clean this entire script, the one we use in generating the background, and I'm going to paste my new script here. Remember to select the aspect ratio for your images. Click on generate. This output is very nice, it's very clean, but the only problem I have here is the fact that the table has a leg, which I don't want. So go back to ChatGPT again, and I told ChatGPT I don't want the table to have a leg, all those extra things I don't want, and then it regenerated another prompt for me. So I'll copy the entire prompt again, come back here, paste it again, select the aspect ratio, and click on generate. So when you are generating to make sure this is the kind of table you have, that's the only way you can have a perfect edit. Once you are satisfied, long press or you click on this download icon to download your image. The next thing I want to generate is the microphone, and to generate this microphone I gave ChatGPT an image reference like this, and I say microphone like this but on green screen background. So it gave me the prompt, and then I pasted it on the site again, and I generated the kind of microphone I want. Once you're satisfied with the microphone, go ahead and download it as well. The last thing I want to generate is the background, the chair I sat on. To do that, I also gave ChatGPT an example of the chair, and it gave me the prompt and I generated it. It's still the same process. Just feed ChatGPT the kind of information you want, and it will give you back the response to use in generating your images. Moving on to the last part is to assemble everything and bring them to life. And to do that, we'll be using an application called CapCut. So if you don't have it, go ahead and download it from your App Store or Play Store. Open the CapCut app, click on New Project, click on Photos, and you are going to pick the background you want to use and add it. After that, click on Overlay, click on Overlay again, click on Videos. Now pick the video you want to edit, add it to your project again. Click this arrow to go back, scroll to the right, click on Remove BG, and click on Auto Remover. And if you've watched this video this far, please subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. And wait for some seconds for your background image to be removed. And you can see the background has been successfully removed. All you need to do is to just drag your video to adjust it to fit into the way you want the video to be. Now for those who shoot their video using green screen, here is how to do it. Click on Overlay again, and you're going to select the green screen video, add it to your project, adjust your video like this. Go ahead and extend the background to fit into the entire video clip. After that, go back, scroll to the right, click Remove BG, click on Chroma key, and take the Chroma key to where you can see the green, and the green will be off. Now increase the intensity so the green is out completely, increase the shadow, just adjust this and make sure that the green is out of your image entirely, and this is your output. This is why I emphasize from the beginning not to wear an outfit that is related to your background, because if my outfit happens to be like a green outfit, immediately I take my chroma key to the green, it's going to remove my outfit and the whole thing will be empty. So make sure your outfit is not the same as your background. Now I'm going to split this background because I don't want the same background, and I will replace the background. So scroll to the right, click on Replace, and I'm going to add another background entirely. I like this one. So adjust your video nicely like this. Scroll to the right again, just adjust your chroma key to make sure that all those green on your edges are completely gone. The next thing we want to add is the chair. I need to sit on a chair, and to do that, go back to the beginning of your video, click on Overlay. Under Photos, I'm going to select the chair that we downloaded earlier. So add it to your project, scroll to the right, click on Layers, click on Back, so the chair can go to the back of the image. Now click on the chair again, scroll to the right, click on Remove BG, click on Chroma key, and we are going to remove the green on the chair. Just adjust the intensity and the shadow. Now drag the chair to make it bigger a little bit, for it to look as if I'm actually sitting on that chair. Just the way I'm doing it, drag it, expand it, and make it bigger. My neck is sitting on that neck rest, and the chair is a little bit above my head to make it look realistic. After that, drag the chair to the end of your project to be the same length as your project, just like that. The next thing we want to add is the front table. You are going to click on Overlay again, and you're going to select the table we downloaded, remember, and you add it to your project. This time the table is going to remain at the front. So just click on chroma key, select the green again, and remove the green entirely from the table, so only the table is showing. After removing the green, go ahead and adjust your table, increase the width so the edges are hidden a little bit to make it realistic, just like this, and then you expand, you drag the table to the end of your project like this. Everything is coming to reality now. You can see how nice it is. Now just go ahead and adjust your chair, adjust anything that needs adjustments as you are editing. In this case, I'm just reducing the video a little bit, taking it back so it looks more natural and more realistic. Click on overlay again, and the next thing we want to add is the microphone. So go ahead and add it to your project. The same way, I'm going to scroll to the right. This time I want to flip this microphone because the laptop is there to the right already. I want the handle of the microphone to come from the left hand side. I will scroll to the right, click on transform, click on mirror, and it's going to mirror this image for me. Now go back, scroll to the left again, click on remove BJ, click on chroma key and remove the green. Adjust the intensity, adjust the shadow if need be. Now adjust your microphone to just be in the middle, right where your mouth is. Position it in a way that it looks realistic, just the way I'm doing it. If you need to bend it, go ahead and bend it. If you need to adjust anything, do it. Now extend your microphone to the end of your project. Now that we are done with our studio setup, click on your main video, scroll to the right, click on adjust, and we are going to start adjusting, do our color balancing. Color adjustment is one of the things you should never skip in your video editing because this is where the quality of your video comes from. So it is very important. So in this case, I increase the sharpness, I increase the clarity. I will also click on HSL. I want to work on only purple. When you want to work on a specific color, you click on HSL, and I click on purple, then I'm working on my dress alone because I want the purple to be a bit deeper. The thing is, all these adjustments I'm doing on my skin or on my video might not work for your video. So it just depends on your background, it depends on your skin color, it depends on how your video actually looks. Just play with the colors and make sure you achieve the quality, the highest possible quality you can. After adjusting the colors, if you want to apply all these adjustments to all your clips, click on apply all. But for me, I don't want my background to be this bright, so I will undo this adjustment and I will only apply it to myself, which is the main video. The next thing you want to do is to work on your skin. If you are the type that has a lot of spots on your face, you want to make sure you appear neat and nice because it's also part of why people will want to watch your videos as well. So to do that, you are going to scroll to the right, click on retouch, click on face, and you're going to click on smooth. Adjust the smoothness a bit. I'll play the video a bit to show my teeth, and I will click on white teeth and I will brighten up my teeth a little bit. After that, you can decide to click on apply to all, or you can just apply to this clip alone. If you apply to all, it's going to apply to any other clip of human in your video. Now click on body, scroll to the right again, click on smooth, and smoothing out your entire body a little bit like this. All your adjustments should be as minimal as possible so it can look natural and everything blends into each other. Click on apply all. For me, I want to reduce the brightness of my chair, so I'll click on the chair, scroll to the right and click on adjust, and I will click on brightness, and I will reduce the brightness a tiny little bit so it looks, I just like it when it looks perfect and natural like that. You don't have to do that to your own, but I just prefer mine to be like that. All I'm doing right now is to add my own final touch to this video, so I'm fast forwarding it a bit so I don't waste your time. Once you are done with all your adjustments and you are satisfied, play it and make sure everything is perfect, no error. Next thing is to export your video, so click here, increase the resolution, increase this code per rate, and then you increase this one to 50 and you export your video. And this will be all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and I will see you next time.